another word for stomach fat is visceral fat. You would try and increase your cardio. That's one way. You would try and increase your ab exercises. Don't use any weight or resistance for it. So crunches, leg raises, and you could also use a wrap for your waistline that would increase the thermogenic effect. That is controversial, but it does help to raise the temperature of the body and will help you to burn there more directly while you're doing an exercise. Say you're going for your run or on the elliptical or on the treadmill and you put on the wrap, you'll sweat more there, helping you to at least lose the water weight and keep the temperature up at your waistline for a couple hours even after the workout. And then in addition to that, you would exercise. I had mentioned that you don't want to do resistance when it comes to your waistline. Just like any other body part, your waist is going to build in size and girth if you use resistance. So on occasion, it's okay, but generally you're going to use your own body weight as resistance when doing any ab exercises or crunches or obliques or anything to build up the waistline. You want to try and stay away from resistance so it could get a little bit smaller. All of that is in addition to say that you're also going to be trying to watch your diet, making sure that your caloric intake is at a deficit and you're having fewer calories in than out per day.